Inventory management platforms versus ERP software. Which one is better for retail businesses? Most people get this wrong by assuming all inventory tools are the same. The surprising truth is that inventory management platforms and ERP software serve different roles, and choosing the right one can significantly impact retail operations. Inventory management platforms focus specifically on tracking stock levels, orders, and fulfillment. For example, a retail store can monitor product quantities in real time, automate reorder alerts, and reduce stockouts. These platforms streamline day-to-day operations, helping stores maintain the right inventory levels without manual checks. ERP software, however, is an integrated system that combines inventory management with finance, sales, and supply chain management. A retail chain using ERP can track stock, forecast demand, manage supplier payments, and even coordinate multiple store locations from a single system. While more complex, ERP provides a holistic view of the entire business, helping executives make strategic decisions. The key difference is specialization versus integration. Inventory platforms excel at managing products efficiently, while ERP software offers a comprehensive solution that ties inventory to broader business functions. Retailers with simple operations might prefer a dedicated inventory system, while larger chains benefit from ERP to align inventory with finance, sales, and logistics. The takeaway is clear: if your priority is accurate stock management and quick replenishment, an inventory management platform is ideal. If you want full visibility across operations and integrated decision-making, ERP is the better choice. The surprising truth is that even smaller retailers are increasingly adopting ERP modules for inventory, gaining efficiency and insight without sacrificing flexibility.